welcome to Legoland Windsor for our construction update during this Brick Week February half term. And we start down in Pirate Shores with the Jolly Rocker. Now it's never a good sign when you see these pirate ships, especially at Merlin parks, with no pirate sort of boat structure thing. And this one's no different. So this is another Huss model, much like the Black Buccaneer was. It's had quite a lot of refurbishment over the last couple of years, like the Black Buccaneer, but currently is missing its supports. Of course, we saw this happen with Black Buccaneer. We did actually see it happen with Blade though, and Blade did come back at Alton Towers. But as it currently stands, a ride that would 100% be open for Brick Week is not open. It also wasn't open during the Christmas event, although I don't believe it was taken apart from what I remember. As it stands, the boat is in situ. You can see the end has been taken off down this end. You've got the sail down there, and then the beams here, which would be, and then nothing. Really weird, there's nothing here. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you some of the construction that's going on in the park today. There is this, we've seen the hill climb as well, the train, which is currently undergoing a new station down at the bottom, so that's closed today. And of course the work going on in Miniland as well. So thank you for joining us, hope you enjoy it. Here's a construction update from Legoland Windsor. Now construction on this side from the Viking River Splash, you can see that there are new lookout points which the park have put in, presumably with all the rapids problems in the past couple of years. A few new points will help out, and we'll get a shot of that from the other side as well. Now the sign definitely isn't that clear, other than it's doing annual maintenance later in 2022. Park's only a month away from opening, so we'll be surprised if it reopens to the park, but we've seen things come together much quicker than that, haven't we? The Jolly Rocker not open today. The Hartley City Express train is also not open this February half term. It wasn't open for Christmas either. I don't really understand. There's obviously some maintenance going on the train, but it's only a couple of years ago it got completely refurbished when it was shut for a year because of the building of the haunted house. But yeah, not open. No sign of the train. I'm not even sure the carriages were here at Christmas actually, so I think this is a step forward. Fingers crossed this will be back for the new season. Here we are down at Hydras Challenge. You can see this thing's taken a bit of a battering with the wind from the sides, but you can see other bits haven't been reattached yet. There's no cars back quite yet either. And you can also see as well how they get in and out. So actually we have a gate here. I can't say I've ever noticed this gate, that's the worrying part. But there's a gate here which they can then lift bits in and out. My guess is there's also a gate over the other side. There might not be, this might be the only one. But Hydras Challenge not ready to roll today. The gate does move, yeah. Shocking that. Now, undergone quite a lot of refurbishment a couple of years ago. The hill climb train was shut for a long period of time. And funny enough, the trains are on the track, so I think this is literally just a new station being built at the moment. Just looks really weird with nothing here.
Yeah, no way.
Yeah, really weird. So the hill train isn't open, but as you can see, they are working on it today. But there's nothing to indicate the fact that both trains are in the middle of the track that there's anything sort of serious wrong. I think they're just genuinely building a new station for it. Here we are in Miniland with this new building, which I still don't know what it is. I'm hoping it's going to say when we get around the other side. Oh, I was hoping for some new models. There's loads of space here now. Let's go around and have a look. Now a lot of refurbishment is still going on down here in Miniland. Some of it has been damage control, but most of these have been taken off for refurbishment and they're being laid on the grass here. Now we did think that this was going to be a Miniland extension. I was hoping for something Miniland related. I was hoping, I love Miniland, so anytime they want to make it bigger is absolutely fine with me. However, it is going to be a brick zone, play, learn and building house, which they are currently doing now.
But there's still a lot of space to the side.
There is. So this will be huge. If there is a water full of bricks, I'm telling you now, I'm all over that. How stretched is that image? If there is a water full of bricks in there, that is going to be incredible. So this is new for 2022. This will be opening in later on this season, I would guess. But it's certainly going to be a fun zone, no doubt about that. We are finishing off up the top here of our construction vlog. You can see the trains are on the track here, so not expecting there to be really any problems with the ride other than the station being refurbished. And you can also see the new roof which has been put on the Viking river splash over the closed season. Still looks like there is some work going on down there, but I think it will be ready for the new season without a doubt.
That plane's really low.
Now then, we're going to head out now, and I think there's some stuff stored in the car park on the way out. So we'll take you around there, and we'll finish the construction vlog there. This is where we finish our construction vlog here in car park D. Not currently in use. We've just sort of wandered through. We haven't trespassed in any way, shape, or form. And here are the Viking boats, which you rarely get to see. This is how they come apart, and this is how they stick together. Never even see the ABC markings on them, do you? Never see any of it. So as we said, the ride it looks like it's getting a new station for this year. We expect it to open on time. But yeah, just fascinating how it all sort of comes apart. And here they are. These things weigh massive, these things. There's no way they're blown away in the wind. But it is a very windy day here at Legoland. I really hope you've enjoyed the construction update. Join us again next time here on UK Theme Parks. We'll see you soon.